Market sentiment refers to the psychology of emotions of market participants. At times, investors are acting on feelings of fear and pessimism. At other times, hope, overconfidence, and greed characterized investor psychology. What is sentiment? A formal definition. A sentiment is defined as the net amount of any group of market players' optimism or pessimism reflected in any asset or market price at particular time. When a stock or commodity is trading at price considerably above or below its intrinsic value, something we will not know until considerably later. The difference or deviation from that value often will be accounted for by sentiment. Sentiment is a subject of study by behavioral finance departments which are interested in the ways that human cognitive bias and brain activity affect financial decisions, and it is staple in technical analysis. For technical analysts have long held that prices are a combination of fact and emotion. Market players and sentiments. Liquidity players have only a cursory interest in the markets and do not have an important role in determining price trends. They affect the market minimally. On the other hand, informed and uninformed players are in the market. Because the interactions between the informed and uninformed players determine prices, we will focus on discussion on these two groups. Uninformed players have considerably more money than informed players, while day to day the informed players stabilize the markets by spotting and acting upon small anomalies in prices, or as contrarian investors invest in undervalued assets over longer periods. The uninformed trends to overwhelm the price action with their positive feedback, in many instances forcing the informed to ride with the trend of emotion. Neurochemistry effect on human thinking. Neurotransmitters affect emotion and behavior. At present, there have been discovered over 108 different neurotransmitters that interact, stimulating and inhibiting the activities of each other. Five of these neurotransmitters act throughout most of the brain: histamine, serotonin, dopamine, gamma aminobutyric acid, that is GABA, and acetylcholine. Additionally, local actions of opioids, neuropilin, stress hormones, and omega-3 fatty acids affect behavior and decision making. And if that weren't enough, common medications, street drugs, and foods also should be considered for neural effect on judgment.